So reflection one, I watched a documentary on Discovery on how stuff works and evolving around beer. Our project is Berserker Brewing, which of course is centered around beer. And the things that I've learned, the beer process is centered around four ingredients, which being barley, hop, yeast, and water. And those four ingredients are important because the quantity amount that you put in for more of this or more of that will have different impacts on the product itself. For example, more yeast creates more carbonation, so on and so forth. And the reason why that's important is because when you're being innovative and you're experimenting through trial and error and to find the right product, you're you're also working on establishing a competitive advantage against your competition, especially if you can find the precise and right brew that people want. And an example of that, I would like to say Bud Light. Bud Light is the world's #1 selling beer, and a little bit about it. It's got very low carbs, calories, and it has a very pretty much low alcohol content to its average competition. And the brewing process is quite dynamic from what I've read and what I've heard about it. It takes about twice as long, and things like that also play in a role into the resources, the time, and when you factor in all that, it also is going to help depict the costs. And the reason why having at least that premium beer and that competitive advantage over the field is really important. Through my market research, it showed that many people prefer to have that good quality drink, and some also prefer to have it at a price that they can afford. But more so, having that drink and having that luxury is really important. Also, everyone's taste buds are different. Not everyone's gonna like that same product, so it's also important to be able to have a variety of great products, which will go a long way in helping a brewery become successful. At least starting off for what I got right now, that is what I have, and I look forward to watching other videos on my classmates, my peers, on what they have established for their reflection video. Thank you.